Let's create an Easter brunch and egg hunt invitation that feels fresh, playful, and ready to list. I'm starting with a pre-made design just to give us a solid foundation. This makes the whole process faster, and it's a lot easier to customize something that already has structure than to start from scratch. First thing I'm noticing is the florals. They're pretty, but I already have a different look in mind, something a bit more playful and seasonal. So I'm going to remove these to clear space and give us more flexibility with the design. Now I'll update the text and start rearranging the layout a bit. At this stage, I'm not worrying about perfection. I just want to get the hierarchy right, making sure the most important details stand out and everything feels easy to read at a glance. I'm also creating a bit more breathing room between elements. This helps the design feel more polished and less crowded, which is especially important for something like an invitation. Now that I like this new layout, I can start adding in new elements. I'm looking for something that fits that light spring feel, maybe a bunny or some Easter eggs. Let's try this one. I'm not sure. Let's test another option. This works much better. Now I'll bring in some soft spring florals to complement it. These details help tie the whole design together and make it feel more complete and sell ready. Finally, I'm just adjusting spacing and alignment, making sure everything is centered and easy to follow. Clean spacing and clear structure make a huge difference in how professional the final design looks. Once you get comfortable with this process, creating sell-ready designs becomes faster and more intuitive every time. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment with what you want to see next.